Hi, Pamela from MV Chef here to show you how to make a vegan pumpkin pie. That's right, vegan pumpkin pie. No eggs, no dairy, tasty, easy, delicious, perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever holiday you celebrate or don't celebrate. No holiday necessary to make and enjoy this pie. So to make my pumpkin pie, all I really need is a blender. Okay? One blender, check. I'm going to add 1 box of firm tofu. This is silken tofu in a box, not refrigerated. It's getting a little tough to find this. I went to Whole Foods for this. Kroger, Fred Meyer's stopped carrying it for some reason. I'm just going to add the box of tofu, extra juice and all, right here in the blender, and I'm going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. I'll use a spatula here, kind of mix it up a little bit as I'm blending. And then I'm just going to add the rest of the ingredients. Pumpkin, of course, to the blender. Put it down there so you can see a little bit better. And blend it all up and pour it into the crust. It's pretty simple. Well, using pumpkin from a can is pretty simple. If I were going to use real pumpkin, fresh pumpkin, I should say, that would take a little more doing. So I'm going to add my sugar. I'm adding my salt, my cinnamon, and my other spices. Ginger, nutmeg, and cloves. And that is it. Blend it some more. Okay, I've got my standard pie crust that I made in another video all ready to go here. And all I'm going to do is pour my pumpkin pie filling into the crust, like so. Okay, I'm going to share a little trick with you. So this pie needs to bake for almost an hour until it's set and firm and has a little crack in it, and you know that it's cooked all the way through. But what will happen oftentimes is the crust will brown way before the filling is cooked all the way through. So I'm going to cover that crust gently. I'm not going to press down and ruin my fluting? Ruin my flute. But I'm going to cover the crust with pieces of foil until about 15 minutes left of baking time. So this starts out at 425, and then after 20 minutes, 15 minutes, you lower the heat to 350 and continue to bake for another 40 minutes. And about 15 minutes toward the end of that 40 minutes, I'm going to take the foil off and let the crust bake. It's better to kind of place these on once it's in the oven, but you get the idea. So you just kind of just shield them a little bit. I'll do another one here, and I'm going to go pop this in the oven. Okay. Out of the oven. I'm going to let it cool for a while. Hopefully you can see that all right. And there's our standard pie crust, which I used for the pumpkin pie. We'll let that cool down a bit. Serve it up with ice cream, whipped cream, spiced cream topping, or naked. Enjoy. So there's your vegan pumpkin pie. Remember, the longer it chills, the more it'll set. And don't forget to whip up a batch of our spiced cream topping to go along with that. Enjoy, bon appetit. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.